designed by Motorola to have the look and feel of a classic wristwatch. So this is elegant, classic and looks like a wristwatch. It has been designed with stainless steel and genuine leather. So all premium materials, and that is the USP of this watch, that it does not look like a smartwatch. This is also the first watch powered by Android Wear that has a round display. Also, akin to our Motorola products, this has the largest display area. So if you see, it's an edge-to-edge display with very thin bezel all around. So this is one of the USPs of Motorola smartwatch. Now let me just show you how it works. So this is the watch. This has a Corning Gorilla Glass scratch resistant. This is stainless steel leather. This has gesture recognition. So only once I turn it, this side, only then the display is going to come out, but not on any other stuff. So it keeps your notifications and everything discreet. Also, I mean, this is meant to be a watch. So I mean, if you are like going to a bar or something at night, you don't want everything to be visible. Now, let me show you something which is customizable watch faces that has been brought by Motorola. So there are these 6 watch faces which you can choose from and set on the watch. And these have been customized for a round display. So this is by Motorola that has been done. Next, let us look at notifications that show up in the down. So these are notifications, means like cards or services that you're interested in. So these are your flight alerts, sports alerts. You can navigate. You can actually have turn-by-turn navigation right on your device. And any other card. I mean, so basically the Android Wear basically pushes the card. So this phone is basically paired with G currently, and you will be able to get notifications on that. Now, if I want to go and see a detail of it, then I just basically swipe like this, and this is the barcode and the ticket details. So this is basically the details of the card, and similarly you will be able to go and do it for any of the others. Right? Now, let me just show you that this also responds to voice. So if you just do like this and you say, okay Google, now what's the height of Amitabh Bachchan? It should ideally come up and show you the height of Amitabh Bachchan. I don't know if it's going to work because the voice connectivity and Wi-Fi is not really great here with so many devices connected. So, but ideally, I mean, this is like the answer should just be here. So it's showing offline because it's not able to like really connect with so many devices connected. But you would be able to get any other question answer also, like show me my agenda, or like set a timer for 5 p.m. tonight today evening. Show the alarms that you have set up. So these are all voice enabled steps. You can as well, like, of course, do a touch and see it. Right. One more important thing is like if you get a voice call, incoming voice call on your phone, then you get the alert on the device, and you cannot answer through it, but yeah, you would be able to at least get the notification. Similarly, if you get a Hangout notification, you would be able to respond to the Hangout via voice from the watch. So anything via voice works. You would be able to text somebody, send an email, everything through the voice from the wristwatch itself. Now let me show you something with respect to the wellness aspect of it. So there is a built-in pedometer here. So if you see that the number of steps that I have taken throughout the day, this is what it shows. And this is a weekly chart. So you basically see the entire thing. I mean, it's a new watch, so all the other days is 0. You can also go and get your current heart rate. So there is an optical heart monitor running on the device.
But they are talking about displays.
So this is my current heart rate. Now let me show you heart activity tracker, which is essentially how healthy you are overall. So this is our heart activity. Ideally, you should have 30 healthy minutes. It's not 30 minutes, healthy minutes. So average adult should ideally have 30 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise per day. And if you have covered that, then this essentially would become red completely. So which means that you have been healthy throughout the day.
Can you explain what is the healthy minute?
So one So every average adult should ideally have 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day. Okay, so that is your healthy minutes.
How does it count that one?
There are lots of statistics, but to tell you simply, it would be like per minute there should be equivalent of 90 steps. Right? So and equivalent, I'm saying, so it is something like you cannot just walk. It is not 90 steps, but 90 equivalent steps is something like if you were running a dog, then you would have to be a little bit more active. So that would be the 90 equivalent steps per minute, and that is one healthy minute. So you would also be able to get the. So I just wanted to show you something more on that one. So you can also get the weekly. So as I said, like 30 minutes per day and 5 days a week. If you are 30, any 5 days are like red, then you are basically healthy. So it kind of, it's not really asking you to be healthy, but as of now you start wearing the watch and you basically get addicted that are you really healthy or not, right? So this is a new watch. It is not yet, I have not been healthy on this watch, but this is how it is going to be working. So this is 360 and I really liked it.